Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by eliminating the common causes of blur. Pick a clean, sharp lens and mount it securely. Set aperture into the lens sweet spot, typically f/4 to f/8, so diffraction doesn't soften detail. Choose a shutter speed at least the focal length, or use a tripod for slower speeds. Once done, lower ISO to reduce noise and enable IBIS for handhold stability. But make sure to disable steady shot when the camera is tripod mounted to avoid micro movements. Now you refine focusing. Pick AFS for still subjects and AFC for moving targets, and consider assigning back button AF so focus is decoupled from shutter release for faster, repeatable control. Choose flexible spot or expand flexible spot for exact placement and rely on IAF for portrait sharpness. Manually magnify for x10x in live view to confirm focus before shooting. Use single-shot drive for deliberate frames and switch to silent shutter when vibration suppression is finished by capturing RAW so you retain maximum detail and check focus at 100% on the camera or tethered to a laptop. Bracket or take multiple frames to ensure one is razor sharp. In post, apply measured sharpening and noise reduction. Too much sharpening creates halos, too much NR blurs detail. If images remain soft, troubleshoot. Swap lenses to isolate the issue, update camera and lens firmware, and if needed, use manual focus with magnification to confirm critical focus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.